He's back because of you. You were responsible.
You're all going to be stars after tonight. Look at all those lights.
Do people want to play me with the shit that happened a decade ago? How to kill those people?
It's not Harry Ward who's dead, remember?
Gather round the table, everyone.
Yeah, get used to it. Everybody's gonna be wearing them.
Now, we're all going to go around the table and say what we're thankful for. This will be the most famous Thanksgiving dinner since 1621.